Is running effective to help me lose weight, or is it a waste of my time? I love to run, and I know I'm not the only one. Go into any gym and you'll see rows of women pounding away on the treadmill trying to lose weight. It's true, running is a great way to burn calories. It's low cost, gets you outside, and it's simple. And you're also going to get amazing endurance and cardiovascular benefits for your heart when you run. But is it actually effective when it comes to weight loss? Why do we see so many women who have been running for years, but they still haven't been able to lose weight? So endurance running is a type of low-intensity steady-state cardio, or LIST training. You're working at about 50 to 60% of your maximum heart rate, so this light cardio is easy to recover from and perform regularly, and you'll still feel tired and sweaty once you're finished. But keep in mind that Allah has created the human body to be absolutely incredible. Our bodies adapt to stress and get stronger and more efficient to do the same work while using less energy every time. Studies show that you may experience an initial boost in weight loss from your endurance cardio, but after the first few weeks, your metabolism will adjust and you won't really be losing much weight from all that same running. In fact, you can work yourself into a really bad state where all your LIST cardio is actually causing muscle loss and risking injury from all the repetitive movements instead of helping you lose weight significantly. What's more, a lot of women are tricked into thinking that they are burning more calories than they really are when they're running. Because running is low intensity, you're limiting the amount of calories you can burn in a single session. So even if you ran for a full 40 minutes, you're probably only burning 300 to 400 calories. You know the calorie estimate you see on your treadmill that shows you how much you've burned when you run? That's actually just a rough estimate, and studies show that treadmills and cardio machines can overestimate your calorie burn by up to 15 to 20%. All of this contributes to why you won't really see the dramatic weight loss you're looking for after days of long, low-intensity cardio runs. The calorie burn is just too low, and your body becomes more efficient and burns less calories. And running isn't developing other important muscles in your body that can help in revving your metabolism and developing lean muscle. So, if you want to lose weight, it's best not to rely on low-intensity running alone. Add some anaerobic work and interval training to your running. This could be sprint intervals in your run or separate HIIT workouts at home or at the gym. The University of Western Ontario tested which type of running was more effective for weight loss. One group of runners did interval sprints, while the other group of runners did low-intensity cardio for 30 to 60 minutes. And even though the sprinters exercised for much less time, they burned over twice as much body fat. And it doesn't have to be sprinting. Any type of anaerobic interval training can dramatically increase your calorie burn, which you've got to do to see your weight loss happen quicker. But you don't just want to think about cardio alone. Studies show that the most effective weight loss comes from concurrent training involving cardio and some resistance work, like bodyweight resistance training. That's why in my Amanah Fitness 30-day online bootcamp program, we do a mix of all these types of workouts. So I teach aerobic training through kickboxing, and then we marry that with anaerobic intervals like HIIT and Tabata, as well as a solid schedule of bodyweight resistance training to develop lean muscles in your upper and lower body and core. And that's why my bootcamp is so effective, and we've seen such amazing weight loss results, because it includes multiple different types of workouts to keep your body guessing and your metabolism revving, which is exactly what you want to do to make your runs and workouts more effective. Want your health questions answered? Ask the Amanah Healthline. Comment below with all your health, fitness, diet, motivation, psychology, craving, sports, and any other questions you can think of, and we'll get you answers from the experts. And if you want to get a free customized workout plan, we've put together a custom personal health report quiz for you to identify exactly what you need to work on to reach your weight and health goals and give you a plan to get you in the best shape of your life. Visit amanahfitness.com/survey to complete your free personal health report quiz now, and we'll see you next time on the Amanah Healthline.